Little hazy, but not a bad day out
It
there.
is a little hazy, pretty quiet though. It's not like the haze we had last week where it was especially brownish and grayish, and it was manifesting itself at ground level, almost palpable with the intensity of that wildfire aroma. I almost tasted it in some cases. Not quite that bad this time around. It's more of the aerosol aloft in this scenario. A little more of that haze, certainly visible as you look to the southeast from right now Lake City. This is our Lewiston auto camera, and a little bit of haze in the distance. Here in Rochester, more of that haze evident as well. We have that bright whitish coloring the sky, not the blue we've enjoyed the last, 2-3 days since the last time we had the haze, but just for a limited time. Today and maybe tomorrow, then things I think will change again. But right now, this is the view from CC Heights. It's 77 here in Rochester. Just a gentle west breeze, dew point 60. A little more humidity in the air than recent days, but still not that problematic. Give it a few days, and that will become more noticeable and a bit heavier. And by then, we'll have less haze and more heat. That's what we're facing for the weekend. It seems the trade-off. That's what we're going to be doing later on. Well, some sunshine, some haze right now. Future track, we're looking at that air quality alert. Not Rochester, but the areas in the dark gray. They are in that air quality alert until 3 o'clock later today. Included is a portion of Wisconsin at this point. Southeast Minnesota, now we're starting to see some yellow. We saw the reason. There is the haze coming in and likely to be all in the yellow zone, which is moderate as we go for air quality index levels up north, orange and red, and that's the stuff we are hoping to avoid. At this point, it does look like we will. We'll be in the yellows again tomorrow before we see a shift in the wind pattern and less of that smoke aloft. 77 in Rochester, 79 right now in Dodge Center, Mason City 78, Plainview 76, all seasonably warm. Typical high this time of the year, 79 technically, but about 80, 81 would be typical. We'll be right in that zone later today. Calm winds though. So there's not much to stir the air, not much anyway, but it's still a decent day. 77, dew point 59, air pressure is steady at this hour. Warm sunshine right around 80 today. Same area tomorrow. There are some thunderstorms coming in for Thursday. It looks like maybe a few more over the weekend, mainly Saturday, but perhaps a few on Sunday as well. By then, more heat, more humidity, and we're going to talk about heat index levels coming into play once again. 77 in Rochester, against mid-70s Des Moines. There's that heat building to the west. Rapid City 82, Minot 85 at this point. And not much mugginess, though. Things warming quickly, but not a particularly steamy situation. Not yet, anyway. High pressure nearby brings us a quiet day. The next storm system is a couple of days away to the west. Sunshine, some haze to the afternoon, a gentle west-southwest breeze. 81, the expected high temperature staying in the 70s until about 10 o'clock tonight. And so, neighborhood night out. Could not ask for much better than this. Temperatures in the 70s, and tonight, overnight, 60s, eventually upper 50s by tomorrow morning. Future track, we have that haze, we have smoke, we have a few thin clouds with plenty of sun, a gentle breeze out of the southwest. Tomorrow, a little more of a southwest breeze, maybe 10, 12 miles per hour. High temperatures low and in some cases mid-80s. A few thin clouds tomorrow night. Here come the showers, a few very brief light showers. Then as that center of low pressure moves through, a couple of thunderstorms will pop up in the afternoon on Thursday into Thursday evening. So we'll have to watch that. It may impact your Thursday's downtown forecast. Maybe a couple of storms here and there. At least a chance, and then a chance on Saturday, perhaps a few isolated pop-up storms on Sunday before we really heat up heading into next week and watch these temperatures getting warmer for next week, upper 80s, low 90s, and a little more heat, a little more humidity, and less of that that haze, I think, by that time frame anyway. So haze today, some sunshine, light breeze, 81. Tonight, dropping back to 58, partly cloudy skies, light southwest wind, and tomorrow, tons of sun. A little more of a breeze, a little more heat, maybe a degree warmer, but otherwise mostly sunny, seasonably warm. 7-day forecast, we have upper 70s, then mid-80s, and maybe a shot at 90, just so you don't get bored. A couple thunderstorms coming up Thursday and Saturday, the best chances overall.
I don't think anybody's been bored this summer, Ted.
Well, you know, if you have a pool or a slip inside, you couldn't be. This is that kind of summer to have that, though, because otherwise you sit around and sweat, because it's been warm. I mean, except for today, but it's been a warm one.
It sure has. Thank you.